It's a beautiful color. Wow. This is my first time in the Zirkel wilderness, and it is beautiful. Oh my, it has not been a disappointment. Wow. Oh, so nice. Alright, my battery is at 3%, so I might not make it through this. This will probably be the last thing you see, but this hike was great. We went counterclockwise, which I would recommend. Great views of Gilpin Lake when you're coming down the ridge. Fantastic. I love all the stream and river crossings. So fun. The wildflowers, far more abundant than I thought they would be. And even going down the clockwise side, it's beautiful as well. Like, the clockwise side might be a bit more pretty than the counterclockwise side, but I still would recommend going the counterclockwise side. Beautiful stuff, guys. Peace out, and I'll be back. I'll be back in the Zirkel wilderness for sure. Okay, I'm on my phone camera, and I've had a ton of time to think about it. And as of right now, I think this hike might be my new favorite non-14er hike. First place was Missouri Lakes and Zirkel Loop Pass, but goodness, this hike just keeps on giving. I forgot that you start off hiking through Aspen groves, and then just the amount of different types of bushes, flowers. As a plant lover, that excites me. It's fun. You know, I'm just scanning left and right. Ooh, what's that? Ooh, that's a new one. Oh, wow. So, man, amazing.